Hello guys, welcome back to another Airbnb tour. If you saw last week's video, I shot this stunning tree house built by this amazing guy called Chris. And now I'm right down the road from the tree house at Chris's luxury custom-built A-frame cabin right here behind me. This A-frame cabin is stock full of a ton of luxurious amenities, features, benefits, but the one feature that really sticks out to me that is incredibly unique, I've never seen before, is this roll-out motorized bed at the top of the master bedroom. Up in the loft, it rolls out on top of the roof for some stargazing. You don't have to even leave your bed. It's absolutely insane. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But real quick, if you want to learn more about Chris, Evergreen Cabins, and this beautiful A-frame right here behind me, all the information is linked down below in the description as usual. And if you want to save money in your next Airbnb booking, my promo code as well is down linked in the description. But I can't wait anymore to show you guys all these really cool features in this A-frame cabin. So let's hop into the tour right now. This is Chris, the owner and builder of the A-frame cabin, along with his wife Jenny and son Ethan. Chris also built the beautiful treehouse I showcased in last week's video. But now as you approach the A-frame cabin, this is the stunning exterior that will welcome you. There's a little deck right here and 2 chairs. I also love how Chris combined both the black exterior on the roof and the siding, along with the beautiful wood finishing in the front. I also want to mention this is right down the road from Chris's treehouse, again, which I showcased in last week's video, but both of his properties, and it's a very secluded land in upstate New York, and also right around the corner from a beautiful lakefront area. Now, as we move more towards the backyard, this is the roof from the side. There's tons of firewood, and we'll walk up some steps to check out the backyard, past the lamppost and the welcome bear, and we will enter the backyard area. The first thing you'll notice right here is a little fire pit right here, so you can drag up some chairs and smoke up some dogs at night, some s'mores, do whatever you want to hang out with your family. Now, the backyard deck area is quite similar to the front, but there's also a picnic table out back. And from this angle, you can see it's kind of tucked away again, really in a secluded wooded area. And it's quite spacious out here. There's lots of space to just entertain, have some fun with your family, grill up some hamburgers or hot dogs right here. You can use the fire pit. And then from this angle, again, you can just see it's really secluded and just stuck in the woods. I also tested out these 2 chairs for you guys, and you might think it's a wooden chair. It's not super comfortable. It felt like a leather chair to me, honestly. But now as you fly closer, let's head on inside. Welcome to the interior of the A-frame cabin. The first area I'll cover is the kitchen. I actually want to mention that Chris's sister of Stone and Vine designed the interior of the cabin, so it's a very talented family. They're all involved in this process, but absolutely love the kitchen, from the countertops to top line appliances, accessories, all very modern finish, and matches the exterior and overall feel of the A-frame cabin. Now, on the opposite end of the kitchen, there's a few things to point out. This little section over here, there's chock full of games and goodies and the guest book, and there's a little plaque right here, chalkboard with the Wi-Fi password. But now we're gonna walk into the one bathroom in the cabin, and I think Chris's sister just knocked out of the park with the interior design. I love just the black paint and the very modern, the dark wood finishing, the modern sink, all just very incredibly well designed. Also love the stone finishing right here in the shower. It's quite spacious. Now we're going to pop back out from the bathroom to the main living room area. This is the main dining table, and there is a massive, I guess I'll call this like cathedral looking window. It reminds you like I'd be inside of a church right here. It's absolutely massive, goes all the way to the top of the A-frame, and I don't really know what I'm trying to do right here with my arms, but I think I'm trying to show you just basically how long and how big this dining room table is, but it's huge. It can definitely fit a large family, a large group. But now as you peel off more to the right towards another area of the living room, I love all the wood finishing right here. It looks like I would just, pull out this wood right here and throw it into a fire, but it's actually just part of the wall. But there's a TV, there's a fireplace over here on the side, and just kind of everywhere you look, there's like little games, just little entertaining things to do. So you'll truly never get bored here. There's even a banjo over here, and of course I had to give it a whirl. Yeah, I don't play the banjo. All right, Back to the tour. This is the main sitting area in the living room. Really plush couch. There's a Christmas tree. There's some more games. There's a leather chair off to the right. But one of my favorite features is actually this table. It has a really cool outline of a tree stump etched into it. And I was just sitting here testing out the couch for you. This time I remembered to take off my shoes. I have just my socks on. And now we're going to slowly pan up. I just want to show you guys just truly how tall and spacious this area is. You just inch up higher and higher, and we're still going to the top of this cathedral looking window and the spiral staircase off to the left. But now we're going to head up top to the loft area and the secret transformable rooftop, which I'm sure you've all been looking forward to. Welcome to the loft bedroom area. This is where you will sleep if you choose to rent the Evergreen cabin. And real quick, we're going to peel off to on the right side, and there's kind of this thing hanging from the wall. It looks like a ladder. That is because if we inch up higher above the loft bedroom area, there's kind of a serial, I guess, hidden cubby space, I would almost call this. Really cool, kind of little mattress, little chill out space, just worth noting that. But now as I'm sitting here in the bed in the loft bedroom, I inch up top, there's even some more entertainment as well. There's a TV, you can just kind of bring down from the top of the ceiling so you can watch TV in bed. But ladies and gentlemen, now, what you've all been waiting for, we're actually going to, looks like a garage door opener, literally put in the code 6969, by the way. So that was hilarious. Chris has a sense of humor too. And the bed is literally going to start to roll out. This is the footage of my feet. I'm going to roll out into the rooftop deck area, the transformable rooftop area space. As I inch up now here higher, this is an angle from my drone. You can just see it kind of in action as it pulls out. Now as I'm inching up more towards the sky, you can just see the incredible view you can see here at night. Stargazing, or just during the day, you just want to chill. Absolutely mind-blowing that Chris would even think to just combine such features into this one amazing thing in his cabin. It's absolutely crazy, and I just kind of speed up the footage. If you look, I'm parking my car right here, just putting in the door opener again, 6969, parking the car, parking the bed, back into the Evergreen cabin. But we're gonna peel off right here just to kind of show you guys just how secluded it is. Again, just perfect for stargazing and chilling out at night. That will conclude our tour here, guys, of Chris's luxury custom-built A-frame cabin. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider sharing this video with any family, friends via Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, email, whatever it may be. Go ahead, click on that share button. I'd really appreciate it. Really help my channel. And also Chris, I believe this really deserves to be shown off to more of the world. He did such an amazing job. Also, comment down what your favorite feature of this A-frame cabin was. I think we all know by now my favorite feature was by far. It was the motorized rollout bed. I've just never seen it before, and it was even possible in just building or constructing a cabin like this. So absolutely crazy. Hats off to Chris again. I'll talk to you guys in next week's video.